this video, we are going to talk about the Gohighlevel's workflow AI. How does it actually work and what is the exact usage of it like? Let us just quickly jump onto the workflow AI itself, and I'll directly go to the automation and the workflow. And majorly, you will find that there are two major functions of workflow AI. Number one is to describe any existing workflow for anybody out there. Like let's say you have downloaded a snapshot and you want to know what this exactly workflow is, and it is going to describe it for you, or you want to build a new workflow and it is going to assist for you. Just to quickly show you up, let us just try to open, let's say this one, the simplest one, new client sign up with a welcome email. And by the way guys, before proceeding to it, let me just quickly tell you, you can get talking about the snapshot, this AI agency snapshot, the community snapshot, the coaching snapshot, all the real estate snapshot, the plumber snapshot, you name it, like this 127 snapshot plus completely free via us, as well as your first onboarding of your first AI employee that you're going to land up will be on us. We are going to form the WhatsApp group. All you have to do is just help us out in getting onto the leaderboard. How do you help us out? Just go to your settings, agency settings, go to AI employee, click on manage offer, and just put within FP reference AI bonuses, AIBONUSES, and click on apply. This is our referral code onto the AI employee, and we are going to ensure we deliver you all the bonus. In fact, we have made a quick video out of it. Just watch the quick video and we'll return to using this workflow AI. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built, the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then how do I scale this to the new height? So we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just ease up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video, where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you'll be making the profit, because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more, and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged, and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it, and bye-bye. So you have watched this quick video. Let us just jump onto the workflow AI. This is where the AI part comes. Like, here you have the workflow pre-built over here, and you just click onto the AI. As you can see, describe the workflow or assist with building it. Both the actions are pre-defined here. Let us just first see description of this workflow. I'll just click on describe workflow. By the way, you get 30 free credits in a day, and it is going to get top up again tomorrow. Like, every single day it will be recharged with the 30 free credits. And on top of that, every message you're going to be charged per message. There is some amount, but with the AI employee unlimited plan, it becomes 100% free, just like. But of course, you're not going to sell it individually. You're going to sell it like you going to sell it clubbed with the other things. It's a Gohighlevel, because 6 features will become completely free when it becomes unlimited. So as you can see here, the description, it just describes this particular workflow. Remove from all workflows, the first one. It is describing the new client will be removed from any other workflows they might have been part of. Similarly, create or update opportunity. What does it mean? It is describing an opportunity is created or updated in your sales pipeline. The client's name and source are included with a monetary value of $3,000 and the opportunity status is marked as won. Then next is send SMS. What is SMS? Like the client receives a personalized welcome text message. This message includes links to the complete onboarding form and lead connector. Right? Super amazing, right? Now let us just try to see the second part. Now, how does it help you with building the workflow? One could be like, yeah, I'm just creating a workflow from the scratch and then assist with building, right? But let us here existing workflow. I want to build more things. So I just click on assist with workflow. First of all, it is like I want to know what is the trigger. It'll tell me what is the trigger. What is the action? Trigger is basically which initiated this workflow in case you do not know. So it'll directly go to what is an action and it'll give me the set of actions I can just do. And of course, like it is going to describe an action is automatic specific task that is going to happen. So here I have the choices, right? Add contact, assign user, internal notification, wait, SMS. More actions are there, of course, like all these actions. Let us say the moment an opportunity is updated, just to give an example, and I wanted to add an internal notification. So I just click on internal notification. It is going to ask me which position do I want to apply this. So I can choose this, but let us say after this opportunity I want to create. So I'll just click over here and there you go. It is automatically opening for me an internal notification. So it could be in the form of, let's say, SMS, right? So basically to user, which user, maybe the assigned user or custom number or particular user, then which template I want to send or what is the message I want to send, and I click on save action. This is how I can just right away add. Now let's say after the SMS, like there are more actions. Wait before the next one, assign user, add contact. Let's say I want to add a tag, right? So where do I want to add a tag? Let's say the moment opportunity is created, I want to add a tag. Let me just click here. What tag do I want to add? Chat widget form and stuff, or I want to create a new one. So this is how like it is going to help anybody. Otherwise normally how you do that, like you click the plus sign and then you should know, like the person would already know what they need to do or slowly they have to learn. But this workflow AI actually makes the job easier. So guys, this is the crux of the entire thing, and if you as you test you will get to know how easy it is. And with the AI employee unlimited, you can have as much like unlimited number of things, and then you can even type the message like what kind of this and what kind of that, and give me in detail what does this workflow mean. So it will be as if an assistant is sitting who's going to work with you to not just describe for you the workflows around, but even build for you the new workflows. I hope that it is clear now what is the workflow AI for, and I wish you guys all the best. And please do enter our referral code AI bonuses into the AI employee, and we are going to ensure 127 snapshots. We are going to give it to you, as well as one-to-one personal onboarding of your first client that you land for the AI employee via the personal WhatsApp support, as well as the white label videos we are constructing. Wish you guys all the best. Bye.